Hi, my name is Jason Jalil. I'm a geriatric psychiatrist here at UCLA. I actually got involved in geriatric psychiatry during my training here at the university, when I was fortunate enough to work with patients dealing with either late-life mood disorders or cognitive concerns. What encouraged me most was to see the impact of the illness on not only the patient, but their families and society as a whole. I feel so lucky to be part of a university that really puts patient care on the forefront, where research is not only targeted towards treatments and cures, but better understanding of why certain individuals are afflicted with such illnesses. I'm even more grateful to be part of our memory maintenance program, a customizable, one-on-one, interdisciplinary team approach to the individual with cognitive concerns. Within the program, patients and their families are invited to make a treatment plan that is really personalized in an era of personalized medicine, where we're not only looking at medications, but lifestyle modification and therapy techniques to help an individual with memory concerns. Brain health is general health, and we know that helping cognitive concerns not only will improve someone's livelihood, but also their attention to their other medical issues. I encourage you or a loved one, if interested, to check out our program and give us a call.